Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my lovely student. Today we're going to study about a review text. Do you even seen or read or sing a video about a review text? Yes, review text have two kind of type. There is a written and spoken. Written itu biasanya seperti ditulis di website, seperti ulasan atau komentar, sedangkan yang spoken itu seperti video dari influencer atau YouTuber yang mengulas produk atau endorsement. Okay, let's begin. Are you ready? So, what exactly review text? Review text is a text to criticize, evaluate, suggest, or give information. The artworks, like a movie, book, song, product, or festival. So, seorang reviewer itu memberi kritik, evaluasi, sugesti, atau informasi mengenai sebuah produk, baik itu film, musik, festival, makanan, apapun itu, yang mana nantinya itu juga bisa persuade a reader or listener. Maksud persuade di sini adalah di akhir sebuah teks atau video review text, the reviewer memberikan ajakan untuk kamu harus membeli atau tidak, menonton atau tidak, seperti itu. And the next is a social function about a review text. It is to criticize, evaluate, suggest, or give information to the reader about of artworks, or persuade the reader or listener. Okay, the next is about the structure of a review text. Structure of a review text have four parts. The first is introduction. The second is evaluation. The third is interpretation, and the last is about a summary. The first is introduction. Introduction di sini berisi tentang gambaran umum suatu produk, musik, atau film, gambaran umum dari artwork, yaitu contohnya kalau buku atau novel, paragraf pertama itu berisi tentang informasi buku tersebut, seperti siapa penulisnya, apa judulnya, kapan dirilisnya, edisi keberapa, dan di mana kita harus membelinya. Sedangkan untuk evaluation itu seperti berisi tentang udah bagus atau tidak produk tersebut. Jadi berisi tentang opini kita mengenai artwork tersebut. Dan yang ketiga itu interpretation. Itu berisi tentang pendapat, tapi lebih ke perasaan kita, mengutarakan keperasaan kita sebagai reviewer, kita itu suka atau tidak terhadap artwork tersebut. Dan terakhir adalah summary. Summary ini adalah bagian di mana reviewer itu menyimpulkan tentang artwork itu bagus atau tidak, dan menyimpulkan, merekomendasikan kita harus membeli produk tersebut atau tidak. Okay, the next is about a feature, language, or linguistic feature. There is four apart again. The first is simple present tense, second is adjective, third is focus on specific participant, and the fourth is long and complex clause. Apa sih maksudnya di sini? Yang pertama tadi, simple present tense. Ya, dalam review text kita menggunakan simple present tense karena membicarakan suatu kebenaran umum atau pendapat. Nah, dan yang kedua, adjective. Kenapa dalam review text kita menggunakan adjective? Karena dalam review text banyak sekali kata sifat seperti interesting, good, bad, seperti itu. And the third tadi yang ketiga, focus on specific participant. Di sini kita harus fokus terhadap barang yang kita review. Contohnya buku. Ya kita fokus aja ke buku tersebut. Jangan membandingkan buku tersebut, buku yang kita review buku A, kita bandingkan dengan buku B, itu tidak boleh. Kita fokus terhadap buku itu. Dan yang terakhir itu long and complex clause. Nah, review text itu di dalamnya itu mengandung long and complex clause. Jadi banyak teksnya, enggak simple, jadi banyak. Seperti itu. Okay, the next is example of review text, and there is any example of song. The title song is Let It Go, and the part 1 is orientation. Dalam orientasi akan terdapat informasi umum mengenai suatu produk, lagu, atau buku. Berikut penjabarannya. Let It Go is a song from the 2013 Disney animated film Frozen, with music and lyric composed by Kristen Anderson Lopez and Robert Lopez. This song is recycled by singer Demi Lovato. The song was released on October 21 of 2013. And the next is interpretative part. In this part is retail about the feeling of reviewer. Jadi dalam bagian ini memaparkan bagaimana perasaan atau feeling dari reviewer mengenai lagu tersebut. Dijabarkan dalam bagian this is the story of a woman who dared to live alone, start his new life, to forget everything memories once he had experienced. With all the effort that he passed, finally he could happily ever. And the next part is evaluation. In this part, reviewer tells about their opinion about this song. Opini yang dijabarkan dalam Demi Lovato singer has a similar story with the song Let It Go. That story in the past made him a strong and capable woman through all the problem in his life. Through his story, so that is make Anderson Lopez appointed to sing Let It Go until they become the song that is favorite youth recent years. And the next is evaluative summation or summary. Dalam bagian ini, reviewer menyimpulkan bagus atau tidaknya suatu artwork. Dan di akhir paragraf, reviewers akan memberikan rekomendasi artwork tersebut layak untuk dibaca atau tidak, dibeli atau tidak, ditonton atau tidak. Berikut penjabarannya. This song is very attractive, complete with the existence of this song in the movie called Frozen makes this song more popular and is very nice to be heard. And the next is for quiz. Are you ready? Okay, well, my lovely student, you can read this review text and you can find the introduction evaluation, interpretation, and a summary. You can pause this video to read carefully. Okay, well, are you ready for the answer? Okay, you can see this part have 4 colors. The first paragraph have a red color, second paragraph have a purple color, third paragraph and fourth paragraph have a blue color, and the last paragraph have a green color. Okay, there is the right answer. The red color shows the part of introduction. The purple color shows the part of evaluation, and the blue color shows a part of interpretative, and last, the green color shows about the part of summary. Okay, my lovely student, are you correct or incorrect in this quiz? Please leave the comment in my YouTube channel. And thank you for your time and your attention. The last word, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.